Hello everyone. So I'm going to set up this wireless printer. So this printer is currently connected to my wireless router. As you can see here, it is connected and it has the IP address. So it is wireless network printer, and I'm going to set up a printer in my Windows 10 machine. So now let's go to Windows 10 machine. Oh, well, again, one more thing. So it is an HP printer and it is model Office Jet Pro 8600 Plus. So now let's go to Windows Workstation and configure the printer. All right, so I'm here at my Windows 10 machines. I'm going to add the wireless printer. If you have Windows 10 Home Edition, if you click on this Windows button, you should see Control Panel. So I have professional versions or enterprise versions. So I'm going to search for Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. You want to click on Device and Printers. We're going to add a printer. Click Add a Printer. What it's going to do is going to search your internet, your wireless router or your network in your home or in your workplace. Once it finds it, it should shows up here. So in this case, it founds my printer. So what I need to do is click on it and click Next. And it's going to install appropriate drivers. And if your Windows 10 doesn't support your printer, you need to download the latest drivers from HP or Canon, whatever the manufacturer is. So it's going to take a while to set up and install necessary files. I'm going to do a print test. Yep, it is working and it is printing. I'm going to click Finish, and HP is my default printer. I'm going to right click and then set as default printer. That's fine. Click OK. So as you can see, I have a green button checked. That means it's a default printer. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.